Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to add about x squared. That means we need to minus about x squared. So this one divide by this one. So we have number 1 x squared divided by x squared. We have number 1. And now we have like this. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over x. The integration of this one, we have arctan of x. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.